Hi friends, welcome to my third video. In this video we discuss about new terminology. It's not exactly new for us, we heard a lot of times, but the word is paradigm. Yes, paradigm is actually introduced by Joel Barker in 19th century. So what is paradigm? There are quite a few definitions for this paradigm. So one of the definitions I am going through, Bob Proctor's definition is, it's a multitude of habits. It's a collection of beliefs believed by a group of people. So it's not a one belief believed by me or you, it's a collection which will be believed by a group of people and passed throughout the generations, which is programmed in our subconscious mind. This is called as paradigm. So I'll take you with examples so that it will be quite clear. So many times we might have heard that women cannot compete with men. So they are better suited as housewives or homemakers. So that is one. And one more thing is, the guy who spends a lot of time in office is a hardworking guy. So it's a perception, it's a paradigm. And the better the education, the better the future. So this is one of the paradigms. So there are quite a few paradigms. We never, actually it's not experienced by ourselves, but someone might have experienced, or it passed on through generations with a group of people. This is called as paradigm. So now the question is paradigm good or bad? So there are both. So it depends upon the collection of beliefs or which paradigm we are talking about. So because it's also stated that if a baby girl born in India, if she brought up in China, then she will easily learn Mandarin, and vice versa. So it's a program, it's a subconscious mind which will be built, which a paradigm will be built, so that it depends upon the collection of habits, collection of beliefs with the surroundings, with the people with whom the baby has grown up. So these are the habits of multitude of habits. As I said, it's a flow, it's a group of habits which will be built. That is paradigm. So why paradigm is so important for us? Paradigm is very important for us because paradigm controls our results. Paradigm controls how much we can earn. Because if we don't think that if it's a paradigm, it's a mind block, then we cannot go further. If we cannot take any risk because someone might have told, or it's a passed through generations, that no, we are not supposed to do that. We are not supposed to do business. We are only here to work. So these are the few paradigms or mental blocks which will be work as a hurdle, which will become as a hurdle which we cannot go further. So these are the paradigms which control our results and earning money. So we'll discuss in detail how to shift this paradigm, how to break this paradigm, how to make our goals for our future with this shifting or breaking this paradigm. So these are the details which we'll discuss in our next video. And once again, as always, thank you very much for viewing my video and sharing it further. Thank you. Good luck.